This is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Then you gotta launch the Play Store, sign in if necessary. Then at the search bar type in Opera query. Once the needed app is found, click at this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. Depending on the speed of your Wi-Fi connection, that shouldn't occupy a lot of time, as you can see. So from here, we can launch the app, as well as undergo a very simple yet essential setup procedure. So first tap at the blue continue button, then decide whether you would like to enable notifications. And if you are ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat. And finally, at this page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.